Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Autodesk Construction Cloud app review to save it worth using. Autodesk Construction Cloud is a powerful mobile app designed for large and small construction projects. It lets you view plans, track progress, submit reports, and collaborate with your teams in real time, all from your mobile phone or a tablet. With features like punch list, RFIS, and photo documentation, it helps you keep everyone on the same page and make sure issues get addressed quickly on the site. But it's not perfect. Some users says the app can be slow or confusing at first, especially for small crews who may not need all its advanced tools. There can be a bit of a learning curve and it may overwhelm simpler projects with more complexity than you need. So while Autodesk Construction Cloud is a great for large, sophisticated job, it may be more than you require for a small teams or a simple build. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.